Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Sarborough and I'm an immigration attorney here in Harlingen, Texas. If you don't know where Harlingen is, I'm about 15 minutes from the US-Mexico border. And I've been working in immigration and immigration detention for about the last 6 years. And I wanted to make this series of videos to give people more information about the process and kind of answer the questions that I get asked the most. And kind of the goal of this series is one, so that hopefully people feel empowered about the process. Two, so that hopefully people avoid scams. And three, so that people understand how a lawyer can be important for their case. So those are kind of the three main goals. What I ask of people who are watching these videos is that we don't talk about cases in the comments. And that's for two reasons. The first reason is we want to protect people's privacy. Immigration can look up these videos. Immigration can read anything that you post publicly on one of my videos or anywhere else on social media. And so we want to be sure that anything that you say about your case or any questions that you have are protected. So we're not going to talk about cases or case-specific questions in the public comments. And two, I always want to give people the best advice possible, and that's very hard to do through a comment. I really need to understand the entire situation and the case. And so when I give information to people and answer case-specific questions, I like to schedule a meeting with someone over the phone through my office so I can really sit down and make sure that I understand the question well, understand the person's background well, and that I'm giving them the best advice possible. So that's going to be kind of the point how I'm going to run these videos so that you kind of understand. And we're going to get started in the next video with where the detention center process even starts. So we're going to talk about what happens when people are in Mexico, starting there at the beginning. I understand that people also end up in Immigration Detention Center through other means, and we'll talk about that later. But for now, we're going to start with how people end up in immigration detention when they're coming over to the US from Mexico. So I'll see you in the next video and we will get started. Thanks.